So what does selling as is mean? That means you're not going to do any repairs or any improvements prior to listing your house for sale. So what effect will that have? Well, homes that require some work when moving in, they attract a different type of buyer. They attract a buyer who's more analytical. They've got their pencil out and they're calculating costs and thinking about the trips that they're going to make to Home Depot, and they're thinking about the home as an investment, rather than the buyer what they're visioning when they're looking at the home is sunbathing on the deck or having a cup of tea next to the fireplace. They have their more creative mind in play, and they're thinking about all the aesthetics, the beauty of the home. That's where you want the buyer's mindset to be if you want to maximize the value of your home. Hey, I'm willing to do some things, but I want to know those things that are going to have the greatest impact on the sale of my property without having to spend a ton of time and money, because there's a reason I want to sell. It's because I've got other plans and I want to get on with those plans. So check out my other video about what issues to address and what issues that you might be able to leave alone and that are not going to have an impact on a potential buyer's mind, a significant impact, and therefore will not have any downward pressure on the price of your home.